Ah, the blizzard's never seen the desert sands. I will set the timber low in my commands. Come follow down a highway once trailed by my golden calf. For the blizzard's never seen the desert sand. Now we'll drive it like a shepherd to the sun. It's the easiest decision I have done. Come follow down a highway once trailed by my golden calf. For the blizzard's never seen the desert sand. And the bells up in the towers, they will ring, and the frightened little choirs, they will sing. They will tremble on their voices like it's from another shore. Oh, the frightened little choirs, they will sing. I will sit up in the saddle of the storm. I will ride across the sea I stand before. Though the people on the beaches wear just nothing but themselves, I will sit up in the saddle of the storm. Ah, the blizzard's never seen the desert sands, and I never understood a written plan. I have set my house on fire 'cause I don't need it anymore. Oh, the blizzard's never seen the desert sand.